Yeah, we're going to see Ben and Cordy. TT, are we going to see Ben and Cordy? Are we going to stop out? TT.
Right, so he's okay. He's doing what he wants, but we miss our tennis. We don't get our game in. No, that's fine. That's great. It's just terrific.
TT, are we going to see Ben and Cordy?
That's probably right. Yes, then.
Hey, are we going to see Ben and Cordy? Hey, are we going for walkies? TT, 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 we going to see Ben and Cordy's?
In a minute.
That's episode 2.
In a minute. We're going in a minute. Are you going to say Cordy?
Are you going to see your little brother?
Are you going to see Cody?
And Benny Boy? Hey, we're going to go and see Ben and Cordy. And Samson and Sky. Harvey. Are we going to see Ben and Cordy? Hey.
Because I mean, the first episode
Are we going?
is showing you these 4 people.